The province of Zambales is just a 3-hour ride from the metro, with amazing surprises waiting for everyone. Included in the top list is where you can find the largest inflatable island in Asia. It is here in Samba Blue Water Resort located at Calaklan, Olongapo. The warm sand and cool air is relaxation and peacefulness combined. The scenery is priceless and the experience is memorable. This is a place where everyone can find comfort and peace of mind. Nature environment by the bay. With affordable entrance fee of just $2 and just several walks to access stores and short drive to nearby Sulit, affordable food trip and staycation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell.